Hi all, I just want to show you how to add TweetDeck from the App Store. TweetDeck is a great tool to use for Twitter chats. It's able to pull the feed, which tonight and the rest of the school year will be doing GF EdChat, hashtag GF EdChat. And so I thought I'd show you about TweetDeck. So if you open up your Macintosh hard drive and if you go into applications, I'm going to start up the App Store. Okay. And I want you to search for TweetDeck by Twitter. Now I have already downloaded it, so here is where you would click on Get and you would download it. And the password to add apps to your computer is Apple Tech 1, and the A on Apple is capitalized, and so it'd be capital APPLE Tech TECH and the number 1, the actual numeral. Okay, so that is how you would download TweetDeck. Once you are have downloaded that, go ahead and start that up. I've already started my TweetDeck up, and it will prompt you to log in with your Twitter login and password. That needs to be set up. You need to, if you haven't created an account in Twitter, that needs to be done in Twitter. And then once you have that created, then you will start up your TweetDeck. In order to add a column, so you can see right now I have a hashtag GF EdChat column. So tonight, when people are answering questions, you will answer it, A1, and then you will put in your words and end with hashtag GFEdChat. That's what will pull your response into the feed. So it's much easier to follow along during a chat. How you add that is if you click on search, and if you just do hashtag GFEdChat, now it's added another column in. Okay, and then you can move that. So you can see I have 25 columns. I would need to move that way to the front, which I already have one. So what I'm going to do is just remove that one. Okay, so TweetDeck is a great tool to use for chats.